Leather. Ganda na te.
Oh yeah, maganda.
It's nice.
So you want this
Just,
now?
just. Hello everyone! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. At kung bago po kayo dito, hi! My name is Jane. Kamusta po kayo? Thank you for stopping by. For today's video guys, samahan niyo po ako at tayo mag-inquire ng sasakyan. Nagpaplano kasi ako na kumuha ng brand new. At gusto ko itong i-share sa inyo guys para may idea na rin kayo kung gaano po ba kamahal at ano po ba yung proseso ng pagbili ng sasakyan dito sa Canada. Depende po yan kung makakabili po ako ngayon, kung kaya ko po yung magiging monthly ko o yung magiging interest din. Para malaman din natin kung magkano rin ba yung interest ngayon, lalo na ngayon nagtaasan na po yung mga bilihin. So, yun po. At bago ko po ulit yung simulan, gusto ko po ulit magpasalamat sa lahat po ng mga nagtiwala at nag-subscribe po sa aking channel. At kung hindi pa po kayo nakakapag-subscribe guys, please consider subscribing in my channel. At hit nyo na rin po yung notification bell para ma-notify po kayo sa aking mga next video. At alam ko rin po na ang tagal ko rin since nakapag-upload ng video. Pasensya na po. At susubukan ko po talaga ulit na makapag-upload na. At yun guys, inatay na rin ako ng kasama ko sa labas. Nasa sasakyan na po siya actually. Nag-intro lang po ako dito. So yun po, samahan niyo po ako at balitaan ko po kayo ulit mamaya. Lahat ng dealer.
Dealer, mga nandito eh. Ayan, ayan.
Porsche. Ford. BMW. Chevrolet. Nissan.
Andito rin atang Acura. Andito rin ng ano. May Tesla rin din eh. Andito rin ang Tesla rin. Ayan, puro sale yan girl.
Ayoko ng red.
Siyempre,
Naka-red ka na eh.
red na ako. Just relax.
Dito na kami guys.
Required.
Oh, so maybe oil change? Yeah.
We're here inside. Ganda na te.
The first choice is RBR.
Okay, so we have two. One is a fully
What
loaded.
year?
2021, 22. 21 and 22.
Not that bad. So
The 22
if
is, 21 is-
2021, how much is data?
It's bank rates, right? No, but then again, 21 can have CPO, so 7.9.
Too high.
Yeah, that's too high.
That's nowadays.
That's low.
The brand new car is 6%.
That's why I don't want to.
The brand new is
Let's
6%.
switch. You do want it.
Because mine is just 0.99.
Yeah. Yeah. That's gone.
I know.
So.
How much is the interest?
799.
That's the
If
least
you
one.
do 84 months, it will be 8.9. Probably 9.
Yeah.
How come my so
It's too high.
CPO is only for 6 years, right? Yeah,
so
CPO
in
is only for
your
6 years.
like so in your
You can get 2.99 for 3 years.
5.99.
Yeah, 5.99 is for brand new cars.
Yeah.
For 7 years.
What did you say? 2.99 for
Yeah,
3
for
years. So
But then you buy
maybe
weekly.
that's high.
So shorter term, higher the payment.
You want to see the figure?
Yeah.
I can show you the
So
figure.
I have an idea.
Yeah, I can come with me.
Yeah.
Yeah, see.
See the figure and you decide.
Yung nakakatakot figure eh.
Yeah.
Ay, hirap na nga i-maintain yung figure natin te eh. Pati ba naman pera?
So
Which year is that? 21 and 22?
21 and 22, we
RBR.
yeah both have very low kilometers. But then again, your interest rates could be that 7.9, right? You can save a lot of money in that way. But I'll just give you both comparison.
Yes.
I
yes.
preferred maybe clip cross.
Eclipse Cross.
Clip cross.
Do you have
Eclipse.
Eclipse Cross?
Yeah.
Or can you give me a two price for
The new one
for the
and the
RV
pre-owned.
or
I don't have pre-owned Eclipse Cross. Only brand new one.
It's okay.
But
RBR.
yeah, I'll give
Okay.
you. Do you both live in the same address?
Yes.
Okay, so I can give you a 0.5 rate reduction. In your license, it's the same?
What do you mean
The
it's the
address?
same?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the same?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll say that they're like sisters. On an Eclipse Cross base model, you are like 273 bi-weekly.
For 84 months.
Yeah.
273.
274.
273.
273 bi-weekly for 84 months. How many? That's 7 years, right?
Yeah.
What if 5 years? How much is the bi-weekly for? Is that the basic one?
Yeah, I'm just giving you the basic one
Oh,
so
okay.
that you know an idea, right? Then we can go about the thing, right?
You can check the basic.
Eclipse Cross, so 4.99 minus 0.5, so 4.49. That will be like 355 bi-weekly.
Is that the RB or the
Eclipse Cross.
and it's brand new.
Yeah, brand new.
The interest rate is
Four,
5.99 for the brand new.
7 years. 5 years is 4.49.
7 years 4.9.
No, 5 years 4.49. 7 year 5.49.
Then
There's a 1% difference.
1% difference, yeah. That's by giving your loyalty to her.
it's up to you to decide.
There's no 0.99 interest.
No, it's
Or-
been 3 years, we've never seen that. Now the rates went little bit down. Before it was 7%.
Really?
Yeah.
And no down payment.
There's no-
No, this is zero down.
Do you have any inventory clearance for 24 because there's coming 25 right model?
No, I mean you will have to see by December or something if there is any inventory.
I know in December, not this.
Yeah, not so early because now our 23s was sold 6 months before the 24s
that's why
came.
there's no.
So right now what's happening is we are not, like, most of the dealerships are not ordering much. They're ordering what's needed. So I don't think we'll have any clear out. Maybe we might have 1 or 2, but what Mitsubishi does is even for clear out also the 24 what's there, it will be there almost till half of next year. So it will anyway clear out before that.
You can ask the trade also if there's a good deal of trade here.
When it
What-
comes
what-
like so now when I'm saying like an
Different brand.
different brand or something, but then again the rate is like 8.99, right?
What's the freebies for those for the Eclipse Cross?
Freebies,
Yeah. Is there any freebies with it?
I'll do something for you. That's not
Winter
Something
tire.
Winter tire.
winter tire would be hard. Usually what we're doing is like oil changes that covers you for 2 years or something like
How
that.
come you
no?
didn't give me that deal?
Every time is different.
And there's
I must have given you something. Sometimes
does it comes with remote start? That's
yeah, it
very
will come with the
important.
remote. Yeah. Remote start, block heater, all weather floor mats, mud guards, lock nuts. It'll have the Suntech. It has the undercoating, everything.
I inquire in Edmonton. They
Mhm.
have a free winter tire.
No, nobody is giving free. There used to be. Now, if again when winter tire comes, I don't know. Last year we didn't have. Last 2 years we didn't have because there was a big tire shortage. Now this year, is it going to come? I don't know. We'll get to know only by November if there is free winter tire. But it's everything is month to month and supply basis. So,
For this month,
Nothing.
What's the
nothing.
What comes with
Nothing.
it? With
Just the
it?
rates just went down a little bit down. Like this yellow color, the rates went
If
down.
I'm gonna wait till Black Friday, do you think?
I
there's
don't know. I can't tell you future, ma'am. Every month, everything changes,
Yeah,
right?
I know.
Yeah,
Like-
because if it's Friday, there's a lot.
Now, if you come on
nice
Black Friday,
deals.
what if the rate is high? I can't do anything.
Yeah.
I can't say anything like
Because car is
because
not that-
because I have seen like people not buying this month, saying that next month would be better, and next month has gone worst. But at the same time, the opposite too. So I can't say anything about next month. So every month it's different.
For example, for me, if I'm going to trade for the big one, I want the 7-seater.
Mm-hmm.
How much will it?
Let's see. Do you know how many kilometers on your car now?
It's still new.
I mean, honestly,
How
like,
much is the interest rate?
that's what I'm going to say.
Oh.
If you are okay or happy with your car, I would tell you to just wait, because that 0.99 you're not going to get anytime soon. So people who's buying now is mostly people who needs
Need
the
it.
car. So I tell all my customers, you're not going to get 0.99, 1.99 anytime soon. If you're happy with the car, keep it till 1 or 2 years, see if it goes down, then you decide. But if you're like, okay, my family is coming from India or Philippines, I need more room, then yes, now you can buy it. But if you're okay, if it serves your purpose, just keep it. It's not worth it to
Okay.
do it
Yeah.
now. You're going in more debt, right? Like 0.99 to 5.49. You're going to more debt. You're going to start a loan all over again. So yeah, that's my decision, but it's all up to you. My duty is to sell cars, but at the same time we try to educate customers, because we see a lot of customers who had a house, they bought a car, everything. When the house remortgaging happened now this year, everybody's bi-weekly increased by $400 to $600, and they can't afford the car payment, right? So they're selling their car and trying to go down. So our duty is to educate customer that, and if you go for
How much is it
one-time-
again?
I think it's
Can you
fine.
give me
Yeah,
so
just
It's pretty easy.
I won't forget.
yeah. I'll just make a quote on your name. Just give me 1 minute.
And the RVR,
Okay.
which is better?
So RVR and Eclipse Cross base model, like the price is almost the same.
What's the difference in the engine? And
RVR is the base model is 2 liter. Trim above you can get the 2.4. Eclipse Cross from base to top is 1.5 turbocharged engines. So you have more power on the Eclipse Cross, and it's a little bit spacious than the RVR. So mostly nowadays our sale on the RVR is a little bit less compared to Eclipse Cross, because the drive and the spacious is a little bit better on the Eclipse Cross. Because and the price is almost same, then I would recommend just the Eclipse Cross is fine.
2024.
Luck.
Is that the clearance? How much is the MSRP?
30. Oh, one second. I just moved that. I just
Okay.
put, because we have so many people in work permit, and then those are not the payments. That's why. AC and IP.
You don't allow them?
Work permit policy is 25% down, and if say example your work permit is for 2 years, I can do only 4-year loan maximum.
Okay.
PR less than 1 year, 10% down, and 60 months. But if it's more than 1 year, then 7 years.
Can you choose a color just in case? No.
You can choose, but right now on an ES I have only white.
Oh.
SE I have the one trim above. I'll give you both. I have silver, blue.
Do you have pink?
No,
She's
I'm
asking
sit-
me for the color.
I have only silver and blue. You can wrap it. You can wrap anything you want.
This is 35,000.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Why do I need the front protection and
So-
undercoat?
So all vehicles does have the
That's a new
Suntec and
one, right?
yeah, Suntec and undercoating on the vehicles.
What if I don't like to have the one?
So if you don't want that,
Yeah.
I have to see for any incoming units. All the vehicles in our lot has that. So any incoming units that comes in, that you can take it out.
yeah, and
Yeah.
this one, 2,000. What's that Canadian?
That is a remote start block heater, all weather floor mat, mud guards.
I thought that's
The big one.
already a...
No, it doesn't come with the vehicle. Even she paid for it. Everybody pays for it. 60 months, 4.49 is 366.
Winter package.
That's a remote
2,000?
start. That's a remote start block heater.
I thought that's free.
No.
That comes with it.
No, it doesn't come.
So I need to...
If you need it, Like if you don't want it, you can take it out. That's the base model.
What's that air tax?
Pardon?
What's that air tax? Why?
That's
there's a-
all kind of manufacturers. You buy from any manufacturer. That's a government. You have to pay the tire and AC recycling tax.
Admin fee 1,000.
Yeah, every dealership has that.
That's too high.
Yeah,
1,000.
I can't do anything with all those things. Like I said, I can do this. I can remove this, but you have to take any incoming units that we have.
But
You
your
just need to
admin fee is too. I think that's. The admin
all,
fee is just
all
less
you
than.
go any wine group, that's the admin fee. I can't take it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if there's anything coming in, I'll tell you.
And you don't have discount for this vehicle?
ES, I have only red one coming in. ES. And SE, I have blue, black, silver. Yeah, blue, black, silver. That's all what is coming. So those incoming ones, if you don't need all those packages, I can just take it out.
And then there's a charge of for the color octane blue
That's
300.
everybody has it, not only us. Every manufacturer has for colors. Silver is the cheapest, so you get no need to pay for silver. White, black,
That's
red,
true.
blue, it's all high, 300, 400 bucks.
Then you have to remove that
Color.
one.
Yeah, you have to take silver.
Amazing something.
This one, silver din to yung white 450.
Pardon?
For the white one, you're charging 450.
Yeah, white and red is always higher.
I don't, it's so high.
It's not. I'm not setting the price. It's manufacturer price. You go to the website also. There.
Yeah, I did. I did. I do my.
Yeah, they have the color charges on that.
Some of the vehicle is no charge.
Yeah, that
for
is
the-
silver only.
Yeah.
You can go for silver.
Even maybe gray might be 150. I think gray is 150.
Yeah, in the
I think.
website.
Yeah.
That's too high. Magkano kasi? Pag-isipan ko. Mahal.
You don't want to see the base or the SE?
Pwede ba?
Yeah,
Mm.
you can check. You can check, then you decide.
Yeah, I can get you the keys. You can see.
Wala ka na.
Oh, yan oh. Lahat ng features nandyan oh.
Yeah.
So the main difference you see is this back seat. It's kind of tight compared to Eclipse Cross.
Oh, okay.
That's the main difference.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. It's okay. You don't have a kid yet.
Yeah.
Tapos siya, sunroof.
Oh, those.
But that doesn't open. Just the liner opens.
That's like,
That's the loaded one.
I have a grey one in this GT. In stock.
Dark gray. Titanium.
Yeah, but it has Suntec on it. And I don't know about if it has any winter package on it or not. I don't know. But
Leather. Ganda na te.
oh yeah, maganda.
It's nice. Parang konti lang din difference te.
Kaya nga, ikakunti nga lang din.
7-seater ba? 5-seater lang yan ah. Paano naging 7-seater yan?
Ito, ay, pagkasama pala yan, 114 plus.
May bayad.
Oo, kala ko naman.
Paano naging 7-seater yan?
Ayan o.
Ang liit ah. Kawawa naman yung nasa likod niyan.
Wala na nga eh.
Patingin natin.
Yeah, iurong lang.
Ah! Kung puno kayo, paano yung gamit nyo? Kailangan mo na to.
Kaya,
Yun lang.
doesn't make sense nga.
Check na namin yung sasakyan.
Lalabas na namin.
Ayun mo, walang winter tire na free. Gusto ko rin yung ganyang kulay, yung orange.
Oh my gosh. RBR.
Ang lakas nun.
Ayan ang difference sa kanya. How come you have lots of orange? Orange car. That's the
so this is the SE.
Oh,
So
base
in-
model.
No, this is the one step above the base.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one?
This blue one.
The blue
So
one,
the
okay.
main difference I'll go through is it is keyless entry,
Keyless.
whereas the base model is key entry. In this model, you can even just show your leg. You know,
Okay.
This is the SE now?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It's
So you have more.
That's your ate, katulad ng car mo?
no.
You can-
Base lang yan.
There's no
Yeah, it
feature
just
of
started this year.
Oh my god.
And
That's the bronze one?
that's the bronze. Yeah.
Oh, maganda rin. That's
I like it.
I mean, that's some nice features that came this year, and it will have LED lights. So this and fog lights. So this is the main feature on an SE.
I like.
cloth.
Yeah, it'll be cloth seats. Yeah.
Cloth. Okay.
Now I'll show you the base model too.
This is
No, this is
that's
the
not
SE, right?
SE. Yeah.
SE.
The base model is this one. So I took the key for the white one, but I'll just show it to you. The main difference is this has no blind spot warning. That has blind spot warning. Key, so it's not keyless entry, and no heated steering wheel, no fog lights, and then you see this big handbrake there. The big handbrake. That one is e-brake. This is handbrake,
This is
but
the
the inside is all the same.
This is
Okay.
the base.
Yeah. Both of them is not much, I think, when you look at the MSRP. Like this is 35 and this is 32, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 3 grand more. You get those features, but again, you need to know is those features important for you or not. So that's why.
The one is heated seats.
Yeah, this also has heated seats, but this has
Heated steering wheel.
That doesn't have heated steering wheel.
Oh, not.
So the main thing is heated steering wheel, power lift gate, blind spot warning, rear traffic alert, LED
Even the back
lights,
seat are heated.
fog lights. So pretty much these 3 are the main features in this.
I like the bronze one too.
Let me see if that SE has.
It's very important yung heated seats saka heated steering wheel. Pag
Yeah.
negative 50 tayo, grabe ang ngatog.
So for the SE, just remove these things.
I can't remove because that has it.
Why?
You see-
What's the difference?
What?
Why in the base one you can remove, but in
Because
the
in this
SE
base one, this vehicle just came, so the Suntech undercoating and all is not done on this vehicle. So no winter pack,
Okay.
nothing is done. So I can remove all this. But if you look at this, I have all those things on the vehicle. I can't remove it. So every vehicle has the Suntech undercoating and everything on it. So on this vehicle, the only thing I can remove is the winter package.
The winter package.
Yeah, that's a 1999.
1999.
it's too... Pag-isiwa ko muna, te. See you. Tapos na kami. Tapos na kami makapag-negotiate. Pero mahal talaga, te. Sobra. Ay, napagkamalan tuloy ito na bibilin din.
What are you doing here,
Parang
garbage lady?
nakita ko kasing affordable talaga na sasakyan. Itong Mitsubishi nga, tapos maganda pa yung warranty niya.
Ito ka naman.
Ano rin naman to? Chinese, Asian
Asian
car.
yan.
Chinese.
Maganda
Asian
nga
car.
ito. Maganda.
So yun,
Tsaka matipid pa sa gas din. Matipid sa gas.
matutulog muna ako at saka ako magdi-decision. Magdi-research pa ako ng madami.
Research ka pa. SE, base.
Si Kuya parang
SE.
feeling ko yung naiinis siya sa akin kasi nga alam ko na hindi naman kasi kailangan. Nanood kasi ako ng mga YouTube video, may mga nilalagay talaga mga dealer na hindi naman kailangan. Lalo na yung mga taxable daw na
Oo,
yun.
pero pag nag-decision ka, i-bargain mo na yung
Kaya kailangan ako yung manalo sa kanya.
i-bargain
Kasi ako
mo yung
yung
mat,
magbabayad
i-include mo yung mat.
Pwede rin naman. Kasi benta ko yung mga mat na. Pero kung i-charge niya pa rin ako doon,
Ay, hindi
wag na.
Kasi yung mat kasi fit talaga sa... Ito, libre na yung mat nito. Saka nag 50% lang ako sa remote start.
Sa totoo lang, dapat libre na yun eh. Minsan yun ang mga freebies talaga nila. Winter tire freebie, remote start, mat, yan. Tapos nagbibigay sila ng discount. Kahit mga 2,000 less, ganun, ate.
I-discount ka na baga na.
Wala siyang dinidiscount.
sa loyalty, no?
0.5.
Oo. Bad na yun kung
Oo nga,
5 point.
hindi ko baga yung, bigyan nila mismo yung, yung ano car. Total naman, papa-clear out na rin naman nila yan ilang buwan na lang. Imposibleng din nila yan, ibigay. Antay pa siguro ako, since winter, hindi pa naman winter, Inaantay ko nga yung Black Friday, yun daw magandang bilihan Buti ako lang daw Black Friday. So, yun guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa bahay. Explain ko sa inyo, share ko na rin sa inyo yung binigay sa akin na quotations ni Kuya para ma-idea na rin kayo. Hindi ako kumuha nung sasakyan kasi out of budget ko na talaga siya. Ang gusto ko lang sana at least nasa 250 below yung bi-weekly ko, parang 500 a month. So, yun. At saka talagang sobrang taas din ng ngayon ng interest. Kaya sabi ko pag-iisipan ko muna since meron pa naman akong sasakyan. Yun nga lang, maliit lang talaga yung sasakyan ko. Hindi talaga siya advisable for winter kasi lagi rin po talaga ako nabubulahaw doon. Lalo na pag mataas yung snow. So, yun guys, punta lang ako sa kwarto ko. Share ko sa inyo yung binigay sa akin na quotations ni Kuya. So, ito guys, yung quotations na binigay sa akin ni Kuya. So, share ko po sa inyo. Ayan, yung 84 months, 5.49%, 286 bi-weekly. Tapos, yung 72 months, 5% naman siya, 317. Tapos, yung 60 months, 4.49%, 366 bi-weekly. Ito yung pinaka-base model ng Eclipse Cross na 2024. Latest po to guys. Kaso pinaka-base model siya. Ayan po yung magiging bayarin ko. So, yan. Tapos ito po yung mga, yung ina-explain ko Kuya na dapat hindi niya na ako chine-charge. Tinan nyo yung front protection, 1.4, tapos undercoat, 600. Ayun yung pinapatanggal ko sa kanya at saka yung 2,000 na yan, pinapa-explain ko sa kanya kung ano ba yan. Bago naman ako pumunta dun guys, nag-research talaga ako na dapat ano yung mga dapat lang na chine-charge sa'yo. So, yan. Kaya si Kuya kanina, sabi niya, kaya naman daw niya tanggalin. So, ayan yun. From selling price na 32,000, naging nasa 41, di ba? Napakalaki, halos 10,000, 9,000 yung nadagdag. So, yun. Kaya medyo, sabi ko sa kanya, pag-iisipan ko muna. Tapos, ito yung pangalawa na gusto ko din. Ito talaga yung pinaka gusto ko guys, yung medyo, dun sa base model. Nasa middle siya. Kasi, nandito lahat yung, kumbaga kailangan ko sa sasakyan, like yung heated seats, tapos yung heated front, steering wheel, kasi nga dahil pagka winter dito, maabot ng -50, so kailangan ko talaga ng ganun. So, yan din ito yung naging, yan sa akin, quotation, 84 months, yan, 310 bi-weekly, 72 months, 345, 398 naman yung 60 months. So, yan, naging 45,000 naman siya. Ganun pa rin yung mga inad niya sa akin. So, ayun, sabi ko kay Kuya, pag-iisipan ko muna kasi medyo out of budget na talaga yung binigay niya sa akin. Kasi, at least, sana nasa 250 below lang yung quotations, yung budget ko. So, ito yun guys. So, yun guys, ayun po yung computation na binigay sa akin ni Kuya. So, ang decision ko po ngayon, sa ngayon hindi po muna po talaga ako kukuha kasi medyo mataas pa rin po yung interest at hindi ko rin kaya yung bi-weekly niya. So, out of budget po yun. Hintayin ko na lang din yung Black Friday. Baka kung sakali may makamabigay pa sila sa akin na discount. Katulad kanina, nangingin ko kay Kuya discount, wala siya may bigay. Freebies wala din, 'di ba? So, yun na lang hintayin ko sa Black Friday or sa Boxing Day na parating. Baka may mga maibigay pa sila sa akin floor mat o libre yung remote start, 'di ba? So, yun po, that's it for today's video. Sana nakatulong to or na-appreciate niyo tong video ko ngayon. And if you do guys, please hit the like button at kung meron po kayong mga questions, feedbacks at gusto pong itakal sa akin mga next video, feel free to comment. I want to connect with you in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe in my channel at hit nyo na rin po yung notification bell para ma-notify po kayo sa aking mga next video. Thank you again guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!